McFarland model 4025 reel disc. Now this thing is disassembled into 3 pieces. When he bought this machine, he only used the center section, and he didn't quite have enough tractor for that. But I want you to see everything's here. Put it all back together. We could do it right here in the driveway if you needed to. There's the pins. Go here and here. Hydraulic hoses are just looped around. It's all there. We got everything to put this machine back together. One drag bar for your harrow section broken. Right there's a new one to put on. I didn't see any welds broken, bends. I mean, this is a good, big, heavy machine, folks. Like I say, currently it's in 3 sections. Wouldn't take just a little bit, and like I say, if you want to put back together before you want to take it down the road, we'll do it right here in the driveway. But for transportation, it was pretty nice to have it unhooked. McFarland model 4025 reel disc.